President Uhuru Kenyatta and First Lady Margaret Kenyatta jetted back into the country this morning from London, where the First Lady participated in the Virgin London Marathon. The plane carrying President Kenyatta and the First Lady touched down at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport shortly after 6 a.m. The First Lady was returning from her debut London Marathon, where she covered 42 kilometers in 7 hours and 4 minutes. The First Lady participated in the epic marathon to raise awareness on the continued deaths of mothers and infants due to birth complications. Through her Beyond Zero campaign, which she launched on the 24th of January this year, the First Lady's initiative is aimed at improving maternal and child health care in the country, as well as accelerating implementation of the national plan towards the elimination of new HIV infections from mothers to children. She participated to raise funds to be used in equipping hospitals with medical facilities that will ensure that Millennium Development Goals number 4 and 5 of reducing child mortality and maternal mortality that was put in place by the United Nations in 2000 and which end next year, yet mothers and their children continue to die. On completing the grueling 42 kilometers last Sunday, President Kenyatta was at hand to receive her on the finish line. The First Lady and President Kenyatta were received at the airport by Deputy President William Ruto, Chief of Defense Forces General Julius Karangi, and other senior government officials, including Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Ole Lenku. Thereafter, the President inspected a guard of honor mounted by a detachment of the Kenya Air Force before he was entertained by choirs and groups of cultural dancers. Before traveling to London to support the First Lady in her historic participation at the London Marathon, President Kenyatta was in Turkey for a state visit. Earlier, the President had attended the 20th anniversary of the Rwanda genocide in Kigali. Judith Akolo, Channel 1 News Hour.